Yo, free online money maker. What up, YouTube? What up? Yo, my bad, people. I just been all over the place. I just been working. I just putting these crazy, tremendous hours in, just trying to get everything back on track and trying to get on a different level. You know, I always lead by example. Alright, so we're gonna just keep doing this every single day, people. Let me teach you about this drip game, people. Let me teach you about drip. You want a drip every single day. Alright, different streams of income. Alright, this is gonna be a PaidViewPoint tutorial, Cashout. Got a couple of surveys I'm gonna bang out right now, right in front of you guys. Alright, people, real quick, let's just do a quick roundabout. Alright, like this is every single day. You want to have some type of income coming in, something. Alright, you hear me saying this all the time. I show you. Why do I continue showing you this? Right? Because I'm showing you what works right now. Because I'll continue doing it. You get what I'm saying? I continue showing me cashing out. I continue showing my referrals cashing out. I continue showing this. Like, so there's never no doubt. Oh, does this work? Does this not work? This is proof, facts, results every single day. Alright, people. So like, it's up to you in your spare time to create an income stream, a drip. All you want is a drip. All you want is a drip. Alright, right here, $28.66 right here. Let me just drag this down right here. Alright, $28.66 right here. Alright, so like I said, people, that's a drip. It's not, thousands of dollars, but $28 in my PayPal for free. Why not? You see what I'm saying? Like, so you gotta understand. Look, 43 cents made today. Look, $4.11 made. $8.66 cents made for the month so far. Obviously, it's a new month. Points earned this year, $769. 30 cents. It's not astronomical numbers, right? It's not even $1,000, right? But you want a drip. This is what I'm trying to teach you guys. Right? Every single day, you want different streams of income. Right? This is going to be a PaidViewPoint, but I'm just showing you about different sites. How we get busy out here. Free sites, people. I'm trying to show you what works best. This is why I don't show you all these other different sites. So I continue showing you 4, 5, 8, 10, 12 different sites, and that's it. Alright, I'm starting pinpointing. I got a lot of different things coming. I've just been so busy with work, but I'm telling you, I got a lot of things coming for you guys. But again, right here, another drip, $17 right here, $6 worth of points right here. It's a drip, right? This is not every single day. This could be $1 to $1, $2, $3 every single day. Add up, cash out whenever you want. But I love my sites that I show you that to use because you can cash out at $1, $1. You can just cash out every single day. Minimum. So like I say, if you're at home doing nothing or you got some spare time, you gotta start putting some income and creating another stream of income that you can start putting towards your dream and your goals. So you can, you know what I'm saying? So you can stop, working 9 to 5 and doing stuff like that. So every single day, this is what I do, people. Create another stream. It's a drip, but it's not hundreds of dollars, but I'll take that, right? So you want to always have something coming in. At some point, you want to create something. Do not rely on your 9 to 5. Never rely on one stream of income. Never. Alright? Always want to create some type of different alleys and avenues, alright, and things that you can do. Alright, so every single day, this is what we do. Just showing you a quick roundabout, just only 3 sites, just only 3 other sites that I'll show you, alright? So let's jump into this PaidViewPoints, alright? Everything you need to know about PaidViewPoints, people. Alright, and once I got this next video coming up, I'm gonna show you how to start your YouTube and start earning income. Alright, start earning income off your own YouTube channel doing what I'm doing. Alright, so I know you're like, oh, I don't want to do what you don't know. You're gonna be able to do whatever you want, but you're still gonna integrate what I'm doing. Alright, so like I said, these are going to be like longer videos, 30 minutes, 45-minute videos, in-depth videos that I'm really going to step by step take you and just show you like what I do on every single day basis, how I upload my videos, how I do different things backstage on my YouTube and everything like that. Alright, just to get you guys on track. Alright, because I already know like some of you guys are going to take off and just just crush it out there. Alright, some of you guys are gonna just crush it out there when you start your own. It's just that sometimes people don't know how to maneuver and I didn't know. I had to, I had to learn, and I still don't. It's always a learning process. But you know me, people. Proof, facts, results. So you see me doing it. You see it. You see what's happening. Alright, you see that income income coming in every single month. So I'm gonna teach you guys how to get on board and how to start that. Be consistent with it and actually have another stream of income coming in. All right. So Free Online Money Makers, this is what we do. People try to help each other every single day. All right. Follow me on Instagram at Free Online Money Makers. All right. Follow me on Twitter. Follow me on Snapchat. Free Online Money. All right, people. Like I'm really just trying to just pinpoint things now. All right, people. We're going straight tunnel vision. All right, straight tunnel vision mode. All right. So this is PaidViewPoints right here. $40 cash out. People, it's not astronomical numbers. All right. Go back. Watch my highest PaidViewPoint cash out. All right. I'm cashing this thing out though. Cashing this thing out right now. I'm about to have a $22 run. $22. What is that? About 21 days. 21 days to Thanksgiving, right? 21 days Thanksgiving. So we're gonna see what Black Friday is gonna look like, right? Free Black Friday, people. Like, you know what I'm saying? If you do Black Friday, if you do spend money or not, why not? Things are cheaper, so everybody's gonna be online. So think about these things that's about to come up in 3 weeks. All right, people. Look what I'm doing. The time is now. Winter time's kicking in. The time is now. All right, $40.56. All right, 10,000 trade score. The thing is, if you're new to this video, don't forget to subscribe. Show me some love. If you're new to this, you don't know what PaidViewPoints is. All you gotta do is do surveys on it. It's never disqualified surveys. You can never get disqualified. All right, so there's really no excuse. All right, use my link in the description. You're gonna if they have a promotional bonus, you'll get some extra points, and you'll get further bonuses while you're under my link. So check that out. All right, I'm waiting for my lady, my little man to come right now. So yeah, check that out. Hit my link, sign up, right? And people, this is what we do every single day. Look, 10,000 trade score. When you start off, it's gonna start off so slow, you're not gonna want to use it anymore. I'm gonna keep it real with you. It's gonna be so slow, you're not gonna want to use it anymore. You're gonna be like, this is pointless. Seriously, that's what you're gonna say. If you continue to use it 6 months, 7 months, 8 months, what's gonna happen is every single day they're just gonna start selling. Once you get now, it might not take that long. You could get here in 2 months. You could get here in 3 months. I'm not sure, right? It depends on where your demographic is, right? So, but if you could get, as soon as you get to 10,000, it's go time. And I know some people, when I get to 10,000, I still don't get nothing. All right, let's continue. It's free income. All right, you can use this as a savings account. Look, this is one. Do you understand? You cannot put money in here. Like, you know what I'm saying? This is only you only can create earnings on here, right? Like, you have to do something to create earnings on here. Alright, this is 100% free, so I'm trying to help you guys on an every single day basis, alright? You want to get to 10,000. It's going to start off so slow. Don't worry about it. Just continue using it. Alright? Be truthful with your answers and just continue using it. And every single day, they're going to tell you when you have survey. They're going to send you emails. They're going to send you notifications if you want. They'll tell you when you have a survey. So basically, every time you see this means you have money. You have to watch my in-depth tutorials. Alright? It's going to be a breakdown tutorial here. And I'm going to do a couple of these. First, I'm going to cash this out. Alright? Why? I'm going to just cash this out first. And then I'm going to cash this out first. And then I'm going to get the start the numbers moving again. Alright? Now you can cash up to $15 minimum. Alright, $15 minimum, and when you do cash out, you cash out the whole thing. So if this is $40.56 right now, like it is, once I hit cash out on any one of these, PayPal, Amazon, or Walmart, it's automatically gonna go down to zero. I'm gonna have $0 in my balance. It's gonna give me the $40.56, and it starts from zero. Alright, go watch my other video. I think I cashed out $200-something on here at one time. Alright, so and I do that purposely just to show you guys it works, right? Like, think about that, people. Like, you can cash it at $15, right? I left $200 and something on a free site. You understand? Why do I do that? Because I show you that it's trustworthy. I show you that it's not one of these little sites that be this is a trustworthy site. I left $200 and I don't know how much the cash out was, $270 something in one of my other videos, my PaidViewPoint video. Highest PaidViewPoint cash out. Alright, turn that off real quick. Yeah, so yeah, like if you watch that video, like, and who would do that, right? Because you don't know what could happen to this site. This site could shut down tomorrow if it wants to. It's their own company. They can do whatever they want, right? So they can shut down tomorrow if they want. And look, I'm still leaving $40 in here. But now I'm about to, now I'm about to cash out just to show you guys how I do and show you guys how great everything that's created if you just start actually putting in some work. But if you got something going already, that's fine. You know what I'm saying? You're looking for something bigger, that's fine. I got you. I got other things, right? That's fine. But if not, this is why I start from the bottom. Cause I want everybody to learn. I want everybody to eat. I want everybody to understand. Like, you need a different income coming in. All right. So, real quick, let's cash this out. All right. You know I have to PayPal people. You know how we do. All right. You know how we do. Let's cash this out real quick. Boom. Oh wow. It usually goes to zero. Oh, I know why. Okay. It goes to zero. I'm about to say if it didn't go to zero, it's because I probably had a referral. A referral earning probably came in right at the end as soon as you cash out. Because I didn't refresh it, right? So, but it did cash everything out. Alright, so $50.60 something cents. Alright, congratulations on your cash out. Please allow 72 hours for the funds to arrive in your PayPal account. Alright, so like I said, you can do this. Alright, crack the piggy bank. Let me get that. Alright, that's for free $40. Fill up your gas tank. Now you don't have to put gas for like a week or whatever. I don't know how much you drive, but you know what I'm saying? Like, do things that you're gonna spend the money on anyway, right? Go pay a phone bill with that. The phone bill should be around $50, $60, maybe it's $100, alright? But let's still pay $40 worth of phone bill or something. Go to Walmart. Or you see you can get Amazon, you get Walmart. Go to Walmart, so buy $40 worth of some groceries and put them in the fridge. You know what I'm saying? So this is why I'm trying to teach you guys that you can have this income. Usually, the holy grail is you want to extract this income as much as you can and put it to the side until you have enough to really do something special. That's the holy grail, alright? So let's jump into a quick survey. You know how I do. Jump into a quick survey, alright? Now when you update right here, right? Now sometimes you have to update right now. Look at this. Thanks for being a PaidViewPoint member for the past 3 years. See that? This is what you call loyalty and a trusted site, people. Alright? Loyalty, trusted site. Alright, now, like I said, imagine if I use this like 24/7. I probably would have made quadruple the money I made already on it. Alright, but look, when you fill out your thing, alright? Shout out to the Virgos out there. Alright, so when you fill out your I'm not gonna scroll down because that's some personal information on here. So I'm not gonna scroll down, but right here, always put that you at least 100, maybe 80. Don't put you make $20,000, $40,000. Why? Because they're gonna think that you don't have money to buy stuff, so they're not gonna send you in the survey, right? So just always put this at least household income, at least 80. What kind of options? Let's see it drop down. Yeah, put at least 75 and up, at least, people. Just put it, alright? Why? Because you're gonna get there, alright? That's why. If you're not there, you're gonna get this. Just put it, alright? So I always put 100 and up on all my profiles. I tell you guys that in different videos that I have, alright? So, like I said, this is what you wanna have right here. Very important. Alright, very, very important. Alright, so let's jump into the surveys. Pause this real quick. Surveys on. I think my lady's here too. Let's see if I can fly through this real quick. Let's see. Are they in your household? Yes, we do. All these names. All that. Past 12 months with the following retailers shopped in the store for footwear. Now, you don't know what type of survey this is, right? So you want to put, I'm not going to say you want to put everything, but you know. You don't know what kind of survey it is. Alright? Let's see, I don't think I opened it up. It's already loaded. Alright, so I'm going to bang these surveys out. Alright, and I'm going to show you how that looks and the income of the free surveys. Alright, people? Free online money maker, keep doing what you do, alright, people? On your spare time.